Hello and welcome to this week's I-26 update. Now, for some reason, I did the bridge walk over on Thursday instead of Friday, but oh well. This is Friday's drive up. Now, the big news is that the announcement has gone out that the um, Parkway Bridge will have the final two segments put up probably while or just before I put this video up. So that'll be done on Monday, and then we're going to have the final molds put on and the rebar and tie-in and everything done. So that is on the way, but we just missed all the concrete paving that's going on over there on the left. They have made it almost all the way to the airport. They will probably have that done, if not before they leave Friday, before they leave Monday. I think it was done, honestly, because it didn't look like there was any new concrete going down. So those machines will be moved up to the airport road exit. Doesn't matter which side they're on right now. They'll get maintenance and work done and so forth, and then they'll probably be used to pour underneath the um, airport exit and bridge. And then they'll be moved up to the French Broad Bridge. I'm guessing. But a lot has been done and finished up with that over on the far side. And now we're just waiting for the uh, finishing work and, shoulders and other stuff getting done over there. Now they have been digging up uh, all the concrete and stuff because there are trucks coming in and out of there on a regular out of there are trucks coming in and out of there on a regular basis, and so they're still working to remove all of the old stuff. Now, as we go over the bridge, the top of the hill here, I need to talk about something. I can't do commentaries and then put them into videos and then put them up. It just takes too much time. I have to go through everything like 2 or 3 times, and I'm by myself. And, you know, what I'm going to be doing, and this will be good too because I can go back and do other commentaries. I'm going to start doing the commentaries and just putting them up on my Patreon page. And um, you can play the audio and watch the video, and I'll do my best to keep them synced up so that they'll not have to be started at 2 different times. I'm doing this at 5 o'clock in the morning. Because I want to spend time with my family. And I wake up earlier than everybody. So if I put the commentaries on my Patreon page, then, hopefully I'll have some interest there. And um, I'll be able to go back to other updates and do commentaries for them and put them up which, that's actually a good thing for everybody. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's what I'm going to be doing moving forward. Now, I was going slow here because I knew that I'd be hitting traffic. I had a Dodge Ram truck behind me that was perfectly happy to stay behind me all the way. He must have seen my signs, was like, I don't want to go past him. I don't know. But you can see some of the work over there. Uh, there is, was it here or was it on the other side of the bridge? I swear there was some new gravel going down in one of these two spots on one side or the other of Long Shoals. So maybe they've done more than I thought. Um, then the big slowdown for the hill. Oh, there on the left, right beside the trucks, there's a oh, was it? A boring drill. So somebody's getting a silence wall up here. I'm gonna be interested to see where it goes, but that's the same kind of thing like they have had down at the way station past Fletcher. It looks like the same kind of a thing. So they'll probably be putting some silence wall posts in. Those two trucks over there as well were looking like they were coming out, but I'll have to go back and look. I'm not sure if they um, had the covers up, like they had dumped something, or if they were taking something out. I don't remember right off. But they did have their wheels up, so I don't think they were full. Anyhow, they're moving stuff in and out. Rocks going out and dirt going in. Lots is going on here. It does appear that um, this section is getting close, but if you look over there where the excavator traco is, it does not look wide enough right there yet for all four lanes plus shoulders. So I think they're still building up that side a little bit. It will be interesting to see them bring that to level. Now, when I was doing the recording of the crane picking up the last segment for the end of the bridge to make the three pieces at the end, a truck came through that I immediately recognized as having the plates for the uh, decking of the auxiliary access road bridge. So I'm not at all surprised that during this week they've pretty much covered the whole thing with those um, panels, whatever you call it. And then they're going to build um, the rebar on top of that. Then they'll pour it. So that will probably get poured. It's February. I'd say by March, but well before the end of March, maybe the first week or two of March, the access auxiliary road bridge is going to be getting poured. Now, if you look over to the left, right beside the crane, the two segments that should be lifted on Saturday are sitting there, just in the pit, right beside the crane. And the forms are getting worked on. I did see that, so they're building the forms, and I'll just have to see how quickly they get it up there because they're probably going to use the same form for both pours, but I have no idea how that's going to happen when, all that. It took them almost a month. If you look back in March of 2023, they placed all the segments and it took them about a month to get it perfectly lined up, put the form on, and then pour the final gap on the other side. And during that time, somebody told me it would take them about a year to finish up the other side to complete the bridge. And here we are in almost March of 2024. It's been a year. Quick glance down in the pit. They did have a heavy dump down there, one of those off-road ones. So maybe something's starting to get filled in. I don't know. They still got all those pipe segments there, so drainage is not done somewhere. We'll see. I can't wait to see this get paved. That will be a huge, huge thing. If they get done with the paving that they're doing now and move the uh, paver over here to pave, I will be not surprised. I will be pretty thrilled. But we have both sides of the bridge poured. That didn't take long, and they took the that big framework thing, paver helper, whatever they call it, rig, took it away because it's all done. He was tamping down the ground. It was interesting. That paver is such a big deal to move because it's three machines. I wonder if they will move it over here and pour it and then go back to the airport, or if they'll just wait until the airport is all done and ready to be paved and pave it and then come back here. I don't know. If they pour that area and then go back, then they'll have to bring it back again to pave from the, well, under the Parkway Bridge. So many maybes there. There's just so many maybes. Who knows? Train's still here. Wonder when that's going to move. Oh, that couch that was just down the hill from the Parkway did get moved out of there. Maybe one of those times they closed the freeway. I came around here and this person did not want to accelerate. They were doing about 40. I was like, it's a clear road. You can go. And then we got past. There was a Suburban. As soon as the road was cleared, he was doing 90. I swear he was. I think he's already gone. Wow. Some people just don't want to wait. Oh, there he goes. There it is. Yeah. That I was up to 60, 65, 70. I don't remember how fast, and he blew by me like nothing. Anyhow, that's the update for the week. I will do a full run on Monday, and I hope to see you there. Bye bye.